What are you playing, Brad?
I'm playing dog feeder. Ooh. And coffee maker.
Dog feeder, coffee maker. You're playing Here Comes the Sun.
Oh. Well, it is coming up.
We are starting our Route 66 travels as we make our way through the tiny town of Bristow, Oklahoma. You know, it's only November 12th, and we're already seeing Christmas decorations in almost every single town that we've gone through.
Yeah, it started early down here.
Do you think that they're going to start doing Christmas in July soon? Like, really advertising it hard?
No.
Ugh, I do. Do you ever get tired of driving?
Yeah. Usually in the afternoon.
But you don't want me to drive, do you?
No.
You're afraid of me driving? Do you not trust my driving?
I trust you if I'm not in the car.
But I do make a good sidekick, right? As far as telling you where to go.
Yeah, you're getting, well, yesterday, no.
No?
Maybe today will be better.
Oh, I told you where to go yesterday.
Yes, you did.
A lot of times. I told him where to go. So we're going to get off of Highway 66 and we're going to go through Depew. This little town apparently was the first one to be bypassed by a realignment of State Route 66. But we're going to check out the main street because apparently it's going to take you back in time to the beginnings of Route 66 and what it was like in the 1920s. Still kind of retains that charm. For the movie Cars came from. In fact, we've got Sheriff right here. Of course, the oh so famous Lightning McQueen. And Sally was actually produced because the lady who runs this restaurant called the Rock Cafe was the inspiration for the character Sally. She was kind of a go-getter, a big city gal who decided to retreat to a small town and run this cafe. And so the people who made the movie Cars thought she was pretty cool, so they decided to create the character Sally. Hi. Good. This is the original wolf grill that they've been using here at Rock Cafe. This is the lunch menu at Rock Cafe. It's huge. I mean, really huge. Tell me a little bit about the Rock Cafe. What makes this cafe so special?
Well, it's right smack dab in the middle of Oklahoma. It is on Route 66. There's no detours to get here. It's right in the middle of Route 66, but I gotta get this.
She's got food to get. Might be coming off Bessie, the grill.
And homemade. They're made when you order them.
Whoa.
Warning, they are super, super hot.
They
So,
look great. Thanks.
enjoy.
They do.
It's been here since 1939. It's only ever been the Rock Cafe. It's never changed names. It's only ever been ran and managed by women. The lady that owns it now is the third owner.
And how is the current owner the inspiration for the Cars character, Sally?
John Lasseter was in here on a trip down Route 66, and he sat in here and he visited with her and he talked with her, and that's how he came up with the idea for the Sally car in the movie. So it's just about like how you run corporate America and then move to small town and in the middle of nowhere.
I got the fried pie, and you got the beignets. Take a bite and tell me what you think. The fried pie is really good.
Is it?
Yeah,
Homemade.
I know. How is it? Hot?
Really good.
That's good. What's your favorite, the fried pie or the beignet?
They're both great. Glad we got them both.
They're putting up their Christmas tree on November 12th. So we continue down Route 66 in search of some other fantastic finds. So the 100-year anniversary of the Mother Road is approaching in 2026. So it kind of looks like they're starting to get Route 66 kind of beefed up a little bit for the 100th anniversary, making some improvements. The old highway Route 66. Ready for Christmas too. Right now we are in Arcadia, which is just north of Oklahoma City, and we are still on Route 66. And right now you got to check out this Arcadia Round Barn. It's kind of cool. Built in 1898, this thing is probably the only round barn on Highway 66, the Mother Road. We're gonna go check it out. Here comes Brad and Riker into the round barn. This is the ceiling on the inside of the round barn. It's got kind of a basket weave look to it. Pops in Arcadia, right along Route 66. This 66-foot pop bottle actually lights up in neon colors at night. Kind of bummed that we're not going to see that. But when you go in here, they've got hundreds of different types of soda in here. So we're going to check it out and see what kind of soda they have. I'm told they have some childhood favorites. Maybe I'll recognize something. Tab comes to mind. Wow, look at all of these pop bottles. Oh, Dad's. I remember Dad's. Astro Pop. How many different types of pops do you have in here?
Over 500.
Over 500?
Yeah, yes.
How do I make up my mind?
Just depending on what a person likes is what they get.
Okay. Get what you get, you don't throw a fit.
That's right.
I also have Orange Crush. I think I'm gonna have a Dad's root beer. I haven't had one of these since I was a kid. So you got a root beer float?
Yeah.
That looks good. I think I'm gonna get one
You
too.
want to share this?
Take that back. I'm actually gonna get a root beer float. That's good. You like it?
Very good. Works well on Route 66.
Agreed. Up ahead is the Oklahoma State Capitol building in Oklahoma City, and it's the only state capitol building that is along Route 66. Here is downtown Oklahoma City. I'm going to stop at the trading post while Brad fills up. You can tell we're back on Route 66 because of the motel signs. I think this is where we're going to stay tonight. Foss State Park.
Well, there's two of them. They're right next to each other. So we'll drive through this one and then maybe just go drive through the other one.
Okay.
Unless we just find something we really like.
All right. When they talk about how windy Oklahoma is, I think I get it. Because it is really windy right now. But we found a pretty nice spot on Elk City Lake, and it's only $15, and they've got showers that are free. So we decided we're going to spend the night here before we take off for Amarillo tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It would mean a ton to us. In the meantime, happy trails.